Hi, Bob Freeman here with MarineMax in Naples, Florida. I'm here today to talk about Boston Whaler's 2018 21 Montauk 60th Anniversary Edition. Okay, let's start with the outside of the boat. As you can see, the new redesign of the Montauk is absolutely beautiful. They've softened the lines on it, still keeps all the freeboard. You have the stainless steel rub rail, which really contrasts nicely with it. But the redesign you can actually see a lot better as we get towards the bow of the boat. Again, the old style I think was a little bit boxier, and now this is a little sleeker looking, and it rides, definitely rides better than the old design. So the new redesign for the 60th Anniversary Edition I think is absolutely beautiful. And it's got the T-top up top, and it does come in, you don't have to have the T-top. You can get a bimini if you want, or no top if you want, but this particular one has the T-top on it. And as we move around to the back of the boat, you'll see that it has trim tabs, which is on a boat this size is really important. And then you've got the brand new 200 Merc. It's a V6. The design is very sleek, very good looking, but the performance is off the charts. It really increased the performance with the new engines. They're lighter and they're faster. So this is a high top end on this boat, and it runs great. The swim platform, they threw the real teak on the back just to give it a little extra flavor there with the swim ladder. So design-wise, looks great from outside the boat. So let's take a peek on the inside. Here we are on board the 21 Montauk. So let's start at the back of the boat. And if you decide you're going to be fishing for the day, they've got two areas in the back with non-skid on it. So great for fishing with the rod holders right in front of you. So nice platform, and it does turn into a seat, which over on this side you can see you can flip up. So if you're not fishing and you're going out for a lunch into the beach or a sunset or whatever it may be, these are very high. They're high back. They're very comfortable seats. So they're really, the 2-in-1 is a really nice feature on this particular boat. You can see the new redesign on the engine. Very nice, cool looking redesign on it. And then we've got an upgraded sound system. So you've got the two upgraded speakers back here. So this the sound on this particular boat rocks. Rocket launchers on the back of the seat. A couple of cup holders here. Large live well. A couple of places for knives and fish hooks and everything else handy right there. And as we move to the helm, this steering wheel is an upgrade, so it's not the normal traditional whaler steering wheel, but it's kind of a nice, neat upgrade for you. This particular one, we have the touchscreen Ray Marine, so good size for this particular boat. You've got your charger, USB as well, handy in front of you. And then you've got your smart craft up here, which gives you all your temperatures and pressures and everything on the boat that you need to do to monitor everything is all right in here, including the depth. Fusion stereo. All your rockers right here in front of you, eye level. Great place to keep a phone, anything dry inside here. You've got your trim tabs, digital throttle and shift, and then you've got the VHF, Ray Marine VHF radio. Little real teak here, and then you've got your faux teak down on the bottom with the Boston Whaler on it. Real comfortable under your feet. Nice addition to have for especially for the captain. A little teak touch is for boarding, if you're boarding on the side of the boat. Nice to have the real teak there. And then down below you've got a big storage area there, so it pretty much everything you're going to want to need if you want to keep your cushions in there, you can do it. So but good size for a 21-foot boat. You got your powder coat here on the T-top, really nice, really clean, and they've got the color of the hull up underneath the hard top as well. Place to keep your jackets up there, nice handy storage to have. And as we move towards the bow, you've got a double seat in front of the helm, and it is actually on top of a Yeti cooler. So it does two things very well. It gives you two comfortable seats, and it's going to keep your beverages cold for 3 days. So really nice feature that they added here on this particular boat. And as we move towards the bow, we've got you can open this up. You've got storage, really large storage, self-draining in here. And then you've got your anchor locker right in here. So out of the way, convenient. So you've got good storage on the bow of the boat, and everything here is non-skid. So if you are fishing, everything up here is all non-skid. You even have up at the bow, you've got a lot of room up here for fishing off the bow of the boat. So it's really designed to to fish well, and it's designed just to go out and have fun. Go to the beach, go for a sunset, go to dinner. It really does both very, very well. So the redesign, they did a heck of a job on it, and it really is a super boat, especially if you're down here in Naples. It'll do the backwaters with the shallow draft, but I'm also can take it out in the Gulf, and it still gives you a good ride, and you know you're safe on it as well. So it's a Boston Whaler. So any questions, please give me a call. My name is Bob Freeman at 603-213-1194.